Hi, it's Mike Custom Cruisers. You want some cool wheels for your Softail or Dyna? Well, the front fits a Softail anyway, and the rear, but with the Dyna we'll have to modify the hubs on the rear because it's a different offset. But this front wheel will fit an FXDWG. It will also fit a bagger if we fit another hub on the front for a brake. Okay, at the moment it's set up for a single disc, but a lot of people now are actually taking one disc off the bagger and fitting one of these great big Arlen Ness 15-inch discs, which lifts in the bracket that lifts the caliper up. So you can always do that and have it looking really cool. Beautifully made. These are made in the Far East, I'll be honest with you, but you can have stuff made in the Far East if you control it, all right? As long as you've got the right people in your factory checking what they're bloody doing, you can do that. Almost lost the wheels there. But beautifully made CNC. The hubs come off so we can fit narrow glide if you want to fit on a Sportster or something that's narrow, you know, like an early Dyna or an FXR. Okay, this is a wide glide. You can see the hubs stick out quite a way. Okay, if you look at that, the offset. All right. This is typical rear wheel where obviously it's got to clear the pulley. It's got to clear this side because it would be a 150 tyre, and then your brake disc obviously on the other side. Okay, like I say, these are forged aluminium machine CNC wheels, not the usual Harley cast crap, which is basically like an aero bar inside. These things weigh more because they're so strong. All the drag racing wheels are always forged or some are magnesium and titanium or whatever the hell it is, but you can't beat the quality of these wheels because there's no chrome to come off. They'll mirror polish up like brand new with Alu, which is an amazing polish and all we ever use. So if you're interested, available in black contrast cut as well, where this would all be black and this is machined away to give you that beautiful look. Okay, and available in other sizes as well. This particular one is a 21 by 3.5 and a 16 by 3.5. Okay, these are available up to 23 is the biggest we do for a front by 3.5, and then we also do a rear on this would only be 5.5, whereas some of the wheels that we do you can go up to a 26 or a 30 even. Okay, and then the rear we can do an 18 by 10.5, which is obviously your 300 tires. Okay, if you're interested, give us a call at 1773-835-666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu if the goddamn French ever sort it out. Thank you.